Exporting keyword lists from SEO tools for planning is one of the most efficient ways to streamline your SEO strategy. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll dive right into how to do it, with practical steps to help you get your lists out of your SEO tools and into your planning process. Stay tuned because I'll also share a special offer to help you get started with one of my top recommended SEO tools, free for a limited time, just for you. First, let's jump into the basics. The most common SEO tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, Moz, and Google Keyword Planner all allow you to export keyword lists. You just need to know where to look. I've tested all the top tools, so I'll walk you through the most efficient methods. In SEMrush, after running a keyword search or report, you'll see a list of keywords. To export, simply click the Export button at the top right corner. You'll usually get a couple of format options like CSV or Excel. Choose whichever works best for your planning. You can export your organic search, keyword gap, or position tracking reports. Once it's exported, you have all your data in a clean, easy to manage format, ready to import into your planning tools. Next, let's talk about Ahrefs. In Ahrefs, the process is similar. After running a keyword report, you'll see an Export button at the top. Click that and you'll get options to download your list in CSV or Excel format. Ahrefs also gives you a lot of data in the export, including search volume, keyword difficulty, and CPC, which can be crucial for your SEO planning. Moz is also a solid choice for exporting keywords. After you run a keyword analysis, scroll to the bottom of your results and you'll find the export option. Moz lets you export your keyword data into a CSV file, which you can then use for your planning. Moz's data can help you focus on keywords with good search volume and low competition, a great combination for effective planning. And of course, Google Keyword Planner is a classic. It's free, but it has limitations compared to paid tools. Still, it's a great option for exporting keywords. When you open Keyword Planner and run your report, you'll see an option to download your list as a CSV file. Google Keyword Planner gives you search volume estimates and competition data, which is useful, but it's a bit less detailed than other tools. One important thing to note when exporting keyword lists is the data you're getting. Make sure to export more than just the keywords. Export other important metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, and competition data. These metrics will help you prioritize which keywords are worth targeting in your content strategy. Now that you know how to export keyword lists, let's talk about the planning side. Once you have your list, you can start organizing it by intent, competition, or relevancy to your audience. Whether you're creating blog content, PPC campaigns, or planning an SEO overhaul, this exported data will help you make data-driven decisions for your strategy. Remember, this process can be done with multiple tools, and the key takeaway here is that exporting keyword lists from SEO tools gives you the raw data you need for strategic planning. Each tool has its method, but the basic steps are always similar. To wrap it up, here's a quick recap. First, run your keyword report in your SEO tool. Then, look for the export option, usually found at the top or bottom of the report. Choose your preferred file format, usually CSV or Excel, and make sure to grab all the relevant metrics like search volume and keyword difficulty. Finally, organize your list into categories that suit your planning. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial to my top recommended SEO tool, linked in the description below. That's just for you, my viewers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide helps you streamline your keyword planning process.